Welcome back to the 6th video.
This week I wanted to take you guys to IKEA, and the reason being is because I wanted to show you how we utilize the space in our small house. So if you haven't tuned in already, my husband and I, we built our small house 5 years ago. It took us a year to build, but the furnishings in our place are, a lot of them are from IKEA, and it's not only the economics, it's cheaper items, but they are very innovative with small spaces, and we really love IKEA for that. So I'm going to take you to IKEA with me and the boys, and I'll show you the items that we've used personally and how we use them in our home. So come along with me, and we're going to go to IKEA. Gabriel's fallen asleep. No socks. What's your favorite part at IKEA, Isaiah?
Small land.
Yeah? Do you like it in there?
Mm-hmm.
You have fun? It's awesome. Okay. Gabriel, what's your favorite place? What's Gabriel's favorite part?
Eating food.
Yeah, probably. He wants to come to Smallland with you, but he's too small. Alright guys, we are going to go in there and we're going to have some food, drop Isaiah off at Smallland, and then I'm going to just try to find some things for the house. Can you say IKEA? Get in!
Cool. Here we go.